So guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can simply export your game for Android in Unreal Engine 5. So lots of users have problem in Unreal Engine 5 that they can't export the game. So let me show you. As you can see my Android icon saying that there is a problem, you can't or I can't export this game. So as you can see in the website there's no help, so you need to first download the Android Studio 3.5.3. I already give the link in the description below, so just go and download. So after the download you need to set up your Android Studio. So just say it via your SDK, NDK and the JDK are available. Okay, just go and just save there and then click on next, and then it takes some time to set up the Android Studio. Okay, so I'll show you the full steps, and as you can see now our Android Studio is now setuping. Okay, so once the setup done, you need to set it to non-import anything. Okay, you need to customize your own self, so click on OK, then take some time, and then as you can see it's now showing you that it's need a upgrade. Just click on the cross, you don't need to upgrade, then click on next. Okay, so at here you need to set that customize, you need to customize your own SDK and the whole thing. That's why click on customize and then click on next, and you can set any of theme. Then as you can see there's a give you a location of why you want to save your these SDK components. So just save where you want to save. In my case I am setting in my the oldest SDK location, so it will be update my SDK. Okay, if you don't have, just click on any of location, just say it where you want and just save your SDK, because this is need for Unreal Engine. Then set your emulator settings to highest speed, so it will be processed as fast as possible. So as you can see there's a component, then click on finish, and then it takes some time to download all the things. So one is done, it will be fine like this. Then go and configuration, click on the SDK manager, and then you need to set up your SDK, which one you want, like which of SDK you need to, for your Android game, like you want your Android support these of SDK. So just go and download the whole of SDKs which one you want, and then after the completing download, let me show you what you need to do. Make sure at this time you can subscribe my channel and like the video. If you have any question, you can comment us in my comment box, I must give you the reply. So as you can see my SDK now is downloading, and that after the downloading complete, just open your Unreal Engine. So at Unreal Engine just go your project manager or project settings, then go at the Android SDK. Okay, you need to go at Android SDK. So at Android SDK, just pick the Android SDK, and while you save your SDK just select the folder. Okay, so one is done, you go at Windows and select to Visual Studio 2090, so it will be help you to compile your game. So now let's check. As you can see our Android icon become now enabled, because now we can export our game 100%. So let's click on packaging component or packaging and set any location where you want to save. After then exporting complete, let me show you that how it's look. As you can see the progress is now started. Okay, let's see after then. So as you can see after my game export, it's look like that. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see here's the whole outputs, and if you think that your game you find like this kind of like outputs, this line, so it's mean that your game is now successfully exported. So as you can see here's my APK of Unreal Engine 5 my game, and here's the properties as you can see. Then now you need to just delete the other files and just get your APK and use or share it with your friends. I just hope you like my video. If you have a question you can comment in my comment box, I must give you a reply. Thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you, bye bye.